Hello everyone, welcome back to Recruitment Update channel. I hope you all are doing great and learning well. So guys, before starting today's video, if you have not watched our previous videos in the SQL series, then I highly recommend that you watch them first because all the videos in the series are connected to each other. I have attached all previous videos in the I button and also in the description box. So guys, this video 6 of our SQL series and we are finally going to work with actual data. Here we will learn insert command, select command, where clause. So let's start without any delay. As you can see, we already have our StudentDB database, and inside that database, we have our student tables. So now the question is, what is the use of creating a table if there is no data inside it? It's like just imagine an Excel sheet with only column names and no records. It does not provide much information. So the first step is to insert data into the table, and for that we will use insert command. So let's insert our first record first. We'll write insert into, then a complete table name with database. StudentDB, STU, which is our schema, then our table name, which is student details. Then we'll open the bracket and we'll close the bracket, and within these brackets, we'll write our column names, followed by a comma. Then we'll write values, means what are the values we want to insert into our table. 1 commas. So here you must be wondering why I have taken Raghav and BCA inside the inverted commas. It is because of their data type. The data type of the student name and student class is varchar. And with varchar, we always write the values inside the inverted commas. That's why here Raghav and BCA we have taken within the inverted commas. And for integer, there is no need to provide any inverted comma. So that's why we didn't use inverted commas with 1 and 20. So now let's execute this and see, when reflected, our first record has been inserted successfully. Now let's insert a few more records. Again, we'll change the values here. Like now we'll put it to name as Rahul, age will be 22, department can be MSc. Then we can insert 3, name can be Ria, age can be 20, department can be BTech. Or Tony, just taking random names, and can be 21, can be BCom, then bracket closed, 5. So now we'll execute this as well, and you can see 4 more rows are affected. Now our table contains multiple records. But the next question is, how do we check whether the data was inserted successfully or not? So for that, we use select command. Think of select as asking SQL Server, please show me the data. Like now you need to write command as select star from and then table. If you select this and execute, you can see the data and our table structure. Now let's understand one important thing. What does this star mean? The star means it will show all the columns like student ID, student name, age, student class all together. But what if I only want specific columns? For example, I only want student name and age. Then we can write it as select student name, age from, and now we'll execute this. See here, only 2 column names are displayed now. This is one of the biggest advantages of SQL, that we can fetch exactly the data what we want. Now let's move to another very important concept, that is where clause. Imagine your table contains thousands of students and your manager asks, show me only the student whose age is 25. Now you can imagine manually checking thousands of records. That would take a lot of time. This is where the where clause help us. it allows us to filter the data. So now let's move to write a query with a where clause. We'll do select star from, then table name. Now here we'll write where, and if I want to filter it based on age, I can write column name age equal to 25. And if I select it and execute, see, there is no data of age 25. So that is why no data is displayed. Now, if I write 22, then you can see we have one record of with name Rahul, which is having the age of 22 and student class as MSc. Similarly, we can take another example. Now, let's see if we want to fetch the data based on the student class. Suppose we'll write it again, where student class is equal to BTech. And if I select this again and execute it, see, now you can see there are two rows displayed. Means there are two records which are having the student class as BTech. So guys, let's quickly revise what we have learned today. First, we have learned insert command. Then we have learned select command. Then the where clause, which is used to filter the data based on a particular condition. So in our next video, we'll learn comparison operator, and operator, or operator, and not operator, and some more powerful filtering techniques. And after that, you will be able to retrieve data much more efficiently. So for today, that's all. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comment section below. You can also connect with us through our Telegram channel and Instagram page. Your support motivates us to create more content and continue this SQL series. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, keep learning, and keep growing. See you in the next video.